Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to set product size for your customizable product. Now let's get started. Go to product and create custom product. Now find your product, click make it customizable. So this is the product creation window. Now you'll find the product size option. Here there are three types of product options you'll find. One is open sizes, adult size, and youth size. You can choose any of these three and set your own size set. Now click on the drop down and you will find some pre-created size sets. As I want to create new size set for my product, so I'll click on new size set. Now I'll give it a name. Let's say t-shirt 5 sizes. Here, the text box refers to the name of the size that you want to show, and the value field, if you want to charge extra for any size, you can put the price here. Let's say I'm going to create 5 sizes, so starts with S. Now I'm going to create all other 4 sizes, so click on add size. Let's say I want to charge extra $1 for 2XL size, so I'll just put my required value here and then we'll click on create. See, here is the size display. So my newly created size set will be activated for this product. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.